welcome back to another Sunday reset routine. Y'all seem to really like my last one, so I'm bringing you guys another one. Let me know down below if you want me to do more videos like this where I prepare for the upcoming week or my Sunday routine. They're not all the same, but just like my last one, I still have to restock my fridge and pantry for the week. I do have some different things that I want to clean and organize in this video, so let's get started. So we usually like to go grocery shopping on Sundays. That doesn't always happen, but since we are going grocery shopping today, I do like to prep my kitchen for that. So I'm just gonna clear my countertops, get any dirty dishes into the dishwasher after I take all the clean ones out, and I'm also gonna be getting any old food out of the fridge.
My cuddle baby. Don't stop, this is my favorite part. Hold me like it's out of style. Imagination is running wild. Eternity is in your smile. Hello, babe, snuggle, babe. Hello, babe, snuggle, babe. Just wait. Let me drive you crazy. My cuddle baby. Wanna stay? Let's get stupid lazy. My cuddle baby.
So I haven't done this in a while. I'm gonna take everything out of my fridge and give it a good wipe down and totally reconfigure the organization in here because it's a little out of hand and it's just not working. So I'm gonna see what I can change up. I didn't even think to show you guys the before, but it was a mess. So that's my biggest thing when organizing any space. Take every single thing out so you can start from scratch.
I tried so hard to let go, writing poetry and rhymes just to get you off my mind. It's either yes or it's no. I'm not a yo-yo on a string that you flip and twist and swing. I'm not gonna vibe tonight. You don't get everything you like, 'cause I'm not ready. If I'm not ready, I'm not gonna vibe tonight. You don't get everything you like, 'cause I'm not ready. If I'm not ready, second guessing your words, 'cause you choke right when I see that you're all I really need. But if I'm honest, I know this whole thing has been a sign that I'm running out of time. I'm not gonna vibe tonight. You don't get everything you like, 'cause I'm not ready. If I'm not ready, I'm not gonna vibe tonight. You don't get everything you like, 'cause I'm not ready. If I'm not ready, I'm not gonna vibe tonight. You don't get everything you like, 'cause I'm not
these drawers were pretty much the biggest problem out of the entire fridge. One was mainly for fruits and the other one was used for vegetables, salads, and all that stuff, but they just weren't working. We go through a lot of fruits and vegetables, and I have a lot of fruit containers in my fridge, so I'm gonna reconfigure these two drawers and make one for vegetables and one for meat and cheese. I'm just gonna stick to my fruit containers, and we also have a large drawer that I can put fruit in as well. And we have this door indoor in our refrigerator. I'm gonna take everything out because we mainly are using this for milk and coffee creamer and butter, and instead I'm gonna use this for drinks for the kids and sparkling waters, things like that.
Finally don't get enough. Finally been riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a while. Haven't seen a smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Be in the moment with me. Stay in the moment.
After we pick up groceries, I am gonna restock the fridge and I'll show you guys how my organization turned out.
Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. I know you're hiding behind that pretty brown face.
I do need to refill some of the things in my kitchen that I already had on hand, like rice. I had it in a bag, so I'm just gonna put that back into my container on my countertop, as well as refill some of the spices that we were super low on. If you're wondering, I got these from Amazon. It came with like 40 something in a pack. It was a really good deal, and it comes with the labels. So if you're interested in getting something like this, I'll have it linked down below.
Truth is, I'm scared cause when I see you coming, all I wanna do is tell you that I love you. I know you're better off without me cause your tears stain eyes make it dark out when you're around me. Like a needle lost.
So I've been wanting to test out my spices in this drawer for a while now, so I figured today was the perfect day since I'm refilling spices anyway. So I'm gonna take everything out and rehome the few things that were in here, give it a good wipe down, and try out my spices in this drawer since it is close to my oven. And before I go out and buy like a spice drawer organizer or anything like that, I do want to try it out for maybe a week or so to see if I actually end up liking it in here. So yeah, we'll see.
Since you wanna leave this, I'll pick up the pieces. You said I'm out of second chances, and I know that I'm not perfect, and this probably sounds really selfish, but I hate that I'm not with you. I just wish that I could tell you that my this time is the truth. I lost the trust, I understand. But do I have to be that man? It's unthinkable. But loving you was easy. See, when it was just you and me. Since you wanna leave it.
Fast forward a little bit later on, our groceries are here, and I'm going to do what I always do. I'm going to lay everything out, give you guys a quick little overview, and then I'm going to start restocking everything, taking things out of boxes and packaging and washing fruits and veggies.
About me? Do you think about me? Are you thinking about me? Do you think about me? Are you thinking about me? Do you think about me? Was easy. Do you think about me? It was you and me. Do you think about me? Do you think about me? Are you thinking about me? War is a four-letter word. Trust yourself and you get hurt. Tell yourself it's so absurd. Four-letter words. Four-letter words. I hate it when you're like this. You never get excited. Get struck by lightning. Don't hide it, no. Don't hide it, no. Soulless man, do you feel it?
So here it is, all stocked and reorganized for the week. I moved all of my fruit and vegetable containers at the top, and I moved my second shelf up a little bit higher so that I can have more space at the very bottom for creamer, milk, and juice. I added in this Lazy Susan, which actually helps a lot. This drawer is meat and cheese, and the other one is salad and vegetables. The big drawer I'm still kind of working on. I actually need to go back to the grocery store, but this is for the kids' refrigerated snacks like yogurt and cheese. So in my door right here, I'm going to try to use this only for individual drinks. You have an empty shelf at the very top where I used to keep the butter, but I moved that to the main part of the fridge. So I'm just going to put more drinks up there.
Well, I'm not plugged in anyway. Yeah, 'cause it's a maze every day.
We love hanging out in our back patio, especially since it's not scorching hot anymore. It's still in the high 70s, but it's definitely bearable now. So I'll come out here from time to time and sweep and dust and just kind of tidy up.
Soulless man, do you feel it? Love hurts more when you're in it, yeah. Gravity at its limit, at its limit. Do you feel it?
So this is something that I do almost every Sunday. I'll take everything out of the kids' backpacks and throw their backpacks and lunch boxes in the washing machine. And if I don't throw it in the washing machine, I'll take a Lysol wipe and wipe everything down really good. But this time I'm gonna wash them. Also gonna throw in their mask and a couple of pairs of shoes.
Soulless man, do you feel it? Down. Love hurts more when you're in it. No, gravity at its limit.
We had such a long day today. I'm gonna make a really simple dinner tonight, doing fried chicken salad. So I'm gonna throw in some chicken strips in the air fryer. That only takes about 10 minutes for an entire bag. I'm gonna throw together a huge salad, put the chicken strips to the side, already sliced with some Texas toast, put out some extra toppings on the side that you can add in on your own, and that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.